Hello students, today we're going to go over some special sound blends. We're going to take some of our special sounds from chart number 6 and we are going to add a short vowel and make some words with these blends, our special sound blends. So here we have sta, stay, sti, sta, sta. These are our st special sounds, the st and stop, and we have stack with a short A, stack, stem, stick, stomp, stump. So we've taken our blends with our short vowel and we've added either a special sound or a letter or a group of letters, and we've made a word with our special sound and a short vowel. Let's go here. Planet, planet, pledge, pledge, plot, plot, plus, plus, fraction, fraction, freckle, freckle, fringe, fringe, frost, frost, frustrate, frustrate, trap, trap, trench, trench, trick, trick, trot, trot, truck, truck, shadow, shadow, shell, shell, shiver, shiver, shot, shot, shuffle, shuffle, black, black, blend, blend, bliss, bliss, block, block, bluster, bluster, class, class, clever, clever, cliff, cliff, clog, clog, club, club. Now if you notice in some of these words you have other special sounds. For example, in freckle, the CK and the LE are special sounds. Fraction. This is another special sound. Pledge has a special sound. Frost has a special sound. Shadow, truck, trick, trench, frustrate. So in some of these words you have other special sounds with the special sounds in their blends to make another word, and some just have other letters. And here we have our full blends. Flash, fled, flicker, flock, flutter, glass, glen, glitter, glob, glum. Now over here we have two words for each of these blends, and that's because our TH makes two sounds. The TH makes two sounds. It says and it says th. So here we have thatch, thatch, or that, theft, or them. This one is thimble, or this, and thunder, or thus. When you do the TH sound with thatch, you breathe out. When it's the one in that, your tongue and your teeth vibrate a little bit. V. So we have either tha or that, the or the, th or the, th or the. All right? So these are our special sound blends for chart number 6 with our short sounds. All right, students, now we're going to look at our special sounds with long vowels. State, steel, stone, student, plate, please, pliers, Pluto, frail, free, fries, froze, fruit, trail, treat, triangle, trophy, true, shape, sheep, shine, shown, blaze, bleach, blind, bloat, blue, claim, clean, climate, clover, and clue. Now some of these also have some special sounds that we've added to them. Trophy, the F, the PH sound makes F in phone, and the E in baby. We have and little. We have ch. So as you read some of these, you'll notice other special sounds being added to these special sound blends. And then here we have the last of our special sound blends that are long. Flavor, flee, flies, float, fluid, glaze, glee, glide, globe, glue. And here we have theory, it makes the sound. We have thine, it makes the th sound, and we have those. So these are our long sound blends with our special sounds from chart 6. That will be all, students. I will see you next time. Bye.